It's sweltering summer across the world. As June ended, different countries recorded new heights in the barometer for the summer. It is a heat wave spewing fire in different parts of the globe like never before. Here's a look.
People are tired of COVID restrictions. The weather is not helping either. Scorching temperatures across the Balkans caused significant disruptions. Bosnian capital Sarajevo recorded 38 degrees on 23rd June, with the southern town of Mostar reporting 41 degrees by midday. Bosnian health officials turned from COVID warnings to heat warnings. The Balkan Peninsula is no stranger to summer heat waves. It usually happens in August. But this year, it hit the zone, along with most other parts of the world, from the last week of June.
I can tell you that the third wave of corona was really difficult on people, and people could hardly wait to finally get out and socialize. And now we have this extreme weather situation, so yeah, it's difficult to go through all these changes and unexpected situations.
Close to the Balkans, Russia is also wilting under a record heat wave. Temperatures rose to an all-time June high of 34.8 Celsius in Moscow on 23rd June. The average June temperature in Moscow is 22 degrees Celsius. Russians have been struggling to keep cool.
Я наслаждаюсь, потому что из Узбекистана родом, и я здесь чувствую себя сейчас как дома. Хотя я давно уже здесь живу, но очень люблю жару, как ни странно.
Thousands of Greeks rushed to the beaches in Athens on 27th June as temperatures continued to soar. Temperatures soared to 43 degrees Celsius in parts of central Greece in the last week of June. Within days, things turned.
The heat is being caused by a atmospheric blocking pattern, so it means that these very high temperatures are concentrated over one particular area. And normally you have the jet stream, which is this fast, high-moving belt of wind, which moves these weather systems on, and it's not happening this time. So we've got. It's almost like a pressure cooker effect. You've got very, very, very high heat.
The heat wave that engulfed the Pacific Northwest sent an unprecedented number of people to hospitals in America. Deaths caused by heat wave were reported from Oregon and Washington in the US.
At Harborview Medical Center, where I work as an emergency physician, but also in emergency departments across our region, we really saw unprecedented numbers we have never seen before for severe heat-related illness. And something that is normally actually a very rare circumstance in the Seattle and Western Washington area, we were seeing extremely large numbers to the point where we actually had to declare a regional disaster.
NASA released satellite images of extraordinary heat events that occurred in the Pacific Northwest. It was dubbed as exceptional.
It's not limited to North America. Other parts of the Northern Hemisphere also experiencing exceptional early hot summer conditions. Arabian Peninsula, Eastern Europe, Iran and the Northwest Indian continent, just to name a few areas. Western Russia has also been seeing very high temperatures.
Many parts of Canada, US and UK are facing extreme weather conditions. Amidst a heat wave prevailing over Western Canada for several days, Canada is now hotter than Delhi, with a heat wave claiming more than 200 lives. Here's a report.
Canada is now hotter than Delhi. Unbelievable, but the western part of Canada is seeing furnace-like temperatures that would put hottest places in Rajasthan in the shade. For a few days now, the mercury in areas around Vancouver have gone well beyond 49 degrees Celsius. Businesses have shut down. Schools are closed. Even COVID vaccination centers have closed their doors. In these regions, otherwise known for its cold, the unprecedented heat wave has crippled life. More than 200 people have died in Canada since last week because of the scorching heat. Meteorologists are blaming it on what they call the dome of high pressure. The big concern is that the pressure cooker heat wave extending from British Columbia to the northwestern parts of the United States is triggering extreme drought and widespread wildfires. A US drought monitor has warned that more than 58 million people could be hit by drought-like conditions.
We went to a couple different places looking for air conditioning units, and they were sold out everywhere. I was very concerned. She's only 2 weeks, so she was really hot, and we gave her a lot of baths and tried to keep her cool, but it was a little difficult.
It was difficult for us to walk around in the city. We were expecting to go to the Pike's Place Market and do some sightseeing, and we weren't able to do much, just maybe like go eat sushi and then try to get back to the hotel.
Already, fires have burned down more than 661,400 acres across 12 states in the US. Canadians have never seen such conditions ever. Most homes have never found it necessary to even have cooling systems. Today, air conditioners have disappeared from stores.
That's 4 times as much as what we typically see, especially in June. Usually we don't get this heat till July, maybe August, so definitely surpasses what we've ever seen before.
To fight the heat, temporary water fountains and misting stations have sprung up on streets. The immediate focus is on saving lives. Bureau Report, India Today.
Just as in the other parts of the world, Northwest India is also suffering from scorching summer. The mercury keeps rising. Indians wait for the monsoon breeze and the rains to refresh them. The Met Department has given little hope to look forward to at the moment. Here's a report coming in from Northwest India.
Meteorological Department has predicted that the national capital will experience a maximum temperature of above 40 degrees Celsius for another couple of days at least.
फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जुलाई में मानसून डेफिशिएंट रहेगा नॉर्थ वेस्ट इंडिया और सेंट्रल इंडिया में, और नॉर्मल टू एबव नॉर्मल रहेगा. वेदर डे टू डे चेंज होता है और इसके अंदर एक्सट्रीम वेदर होता है, और ये सीज़न जो है, इस सीज़न में ही हीट वेव प्रिवेल करता है नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर में.
Delhi on Thursday recorded a maximum temperature of 43.6 degrees Celsius, the highest for July in 90 years. The heat wave has also pushed the city's peak power demand to 7,026 megawatts on Thursday afternoon, the highest this season.
3 दिन से बहुत बुरा हाल है. अच्छा, बहुत ज़्यादा ही बुरा हाल 3 दिन से. अभी में रात में नाइट में लाइट भी कट जाती है, समस्या हो रही है. अब ड्यूटी आने के लिए बस में इतनी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है कि बस में चढ़ नहीं जा रहा है.
गर्मी परेशान कर रही है इस साल.
बिल्कुल सर, गर्मी तो बहुत तेज है.
कितने दिन से ज़्यादा दिक्कत हो रही है?
सर 4-5 दिन से ज़्यादा दिक्कत है.
काम धंधे पर भी असर पड़ा है गर्मी को?
बिल्कुल है सर, सारा दिन सन्नाटा पड़ा रहा. गर्मी की वजह से कोई बाहर नहीं निकल रहा है. हम तो परेशान हो रहे हैं. एमपी से आए हम कल्पना नहीं कर रहे थे इतनी गर्मी लगेगी. मेरी बेटी के यहाँ ज्वाइन करवाने के लिए आया था मैं, तो ये सोच के नहीं आता इतना परेशान हो जाएंगे हम.
Usually by July 1, it's wet, rainy day in the northern India or the northwest, including the national capital and the NCR region. But unlike the usual days, this time, the heat wave is quite serious. And as per the meteorological department on Wednesday, the mercury level was 43.5 degrees Celsius, which is the highest so far this year. So clearly there is no respite for the people in the national capital for the next few days. As the IMD says, the monsoon is now delayed for more than a week. The maximum temperature recorded at Safdarjung Observatory on Wednesday was more than 43 degrees, and that's clearly is now a trouble. Certainly there was certain disturbance caused the weather activities, and now the Met suggests that it is going to be delayed for a week. And last, the similar activity which was reported was in 2012 when the monsoon was delayed and it arrived, it touched Delhi on 7th of July. This has been 1st July now, and there is no activities of monsoon in the northern belt, particularly in northwest India, and that's exactly why the region of severe heat waves all across this city, which is affecting the lives, you know, in this season where it has to be a monsoon one, a rainy day.
As per IMD, heat wave conditions will continue to persist in pockets over Delhi, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, North Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and Northwest Madhya Pradesh over the next 2 days due to likely dry westerly, southwesterly winds from Pakistan.
We are already in the month of July, but the people of Rajasthan continue to bear the brunt of scorching heat and sultry weather. As far as the mercury goes, temperature in as many as 10 districts of Rajasthan had gone above 40 degrees Celsius. In fact, in Shri Ganganagar, the maximum temperature had gone above 44 degrees Celsius. In this scorching heat, people had been trying to keep themselves hydrated, and therefore it is the juice walas, the lassi walas, the coconut water walas who have been literally making the hay while sun shines. Out here at a famous more than 70-year-old lassi wala shop in Jaipur's MI Road, people have been arriving in droves buying lassis, and similarly has been the case at several juice shops. There are some people who I would like to speak with. Sir, आप बताएं किस तरह से गर्मी में अपना बचाव कर रहे हैं, क्या कुछ कर रहे हैं?
सर, इस समय राजस्थान का जो मौसम वेदर रहता है वो गर्म ही रहता है ज़्यादातर, तो इस समय लोग लस्सी और ये जो ठंडी चीज़ें होते हैं उसी से अपना बचाव करते हैं, सिर पे टोपी या पगड़ी वगड़ी बांध के, मुंह पे
घर से कम निकल रहे हैं बाहर पहले?
हाँ, अभी रोडों का रस काफ़ी कम है गर्मी की वजह से। उमस का प्रभाव बहुत ज़्यादा है क्योंकि कुछ डिस्टर्बेंस की वजह से मानसून नहीं आ पाया टाइम से।
Well, clearly monsoon has not arrived so far in its full glory in Rajasthan, because of which people are not able to get respite as far as weather conditions are concerned. Sir, गर्मी इतनी पड़ रही है, लस्सी पीकर, जूस पीकर लोग अपने आप को हाइड्रेट रख रहे थे, आप किस तरह से बचाव कर रहे हैं?
सेम, लस्सी पियो, मजे करो।
घर से कम निकल रहे हैं बाहर पहले से?
बहुत, पहले ये था पूरे दिन भर बाहर थे, अब 1 घंटा 2 घंटा मैक्स।
बाहर निकलते हैं तो अक्सर लोग कहते हैं 4-5 मिनट में पसीने से तरबतर हो जाते हैं, इतनी गर्मी पड़ रही है।
बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकते इसको, यानी ऐसा है कि बाहर निकले और काले पड़ गए, टैन वैन सब आ गया और पूरी बॉडी डिहाइड्रेट के बदले ऐसा लगेगा कि बस यही चक्कर खा के गिर जाए, इस चक्कर में।
और क्या प्रिकॉशंस आप बता सकते हैं लस्सी जूस कंज्यूम करने के अलावा?
वाटर सबसे बेस्ट चीज़ है, वाटर के अलावा कुछ नहीं है।
We also do have Ghanshyam Agarwal, who is the owner of this famous lassi wala shop in Jaipur's MI Road. सर, कोरोना काल है, पर गर्मी की वजह से क्या लस्सी छाछ कंज्यूम करने वालों की तादाद बढ़ गई है?
बिल्कुल बढ़ी है, कंज्यूमर रेगुलर आ रहा है हमारे पास के अंदर और काम सही चल रहा है।
Well, so clearly monsoon is not going to arrive in its full glory in Rajasthan anytime soon as far as the predictions are concerned, but people have been trying to take precautions and keep themselves hydrated by consuming lassi, chhach, juice, etc., so that they can get some respite in these harsh weather conditions.
As the monsoon continues to remain subdued, the city of Lucknow witnessed its hottest start to the month of July. The temperature soared past 40 degrees centigrade, which is about 4 units above the normal temperature usually takes place in the month of July. The entire city is suffering with the heat wave. The guards out here are pressed into action, but they have nothing as they are suffering under the heat wave. The monsoon is subdued and has stopped, while there is a sigh of relief as thunderstorm is likely in the days to come, though humidity is adding to the woes of Lucknowites and the people of Uttar Pradesh, as due to humidity, not only in day, even night hours are getting typical, and with power cut happening across UP and Lucknow, things are getting difficult for the people, as without fan, cooler or AC, things are getting worse with this heat wave राइडिंग ऑन द टॉप।
बहुत गर्मी लग रहा है इधर, 4-5 दिन से तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि रिकॉर्ड तोड़ दिया है एकदम। और जिस हिसाब से अभी लाइट का भी कुछ बीच बीच में कट उठ जा रहा है, लेकिन फिर भी जब वो एसी उसी चला करके जब रह रहे हैं तो घर से बाहर निकल ही नहीं रहे। फिर अगर घर से बाहर भी निकल रहे तो पेड़ का सहारा लेना पड़ रहा है। 4 कदम चलने के लिए गर्मी में सोचना पड़ रहा है।
गर्मी से हम लोग निपट रहे हैं, ज़्यादातर हम लोग घर में ही रह रहे हैं और जहाँ तक ज़रूरत पड़ रहा है हम लोग गाड़ी में ही बैठे रह रहे हैं। बाहर निकलने की ज़रूरत नहीं, सिर्फ फ़ोटो खिंचाने के लिए ही बाहर निकले हैं, वो भी हम लोग बाहर से ही आए हैं।
रात में भी ह्यूमिडिटी है
बहुत ज़्यादा ह्यूमिडिटी, इतना गर्मी था रात में कह नहीं सकते।
The North Indian states of Punjab and Haryana, besides the Union Territory, Chandigarh, are reeling under extremely hot weather conditions. While the mercury in state capital Chandigarh is about to touch 40 degrees, Met Department has predicted that places like Jalandhar, Bathinda will cross 45 degrees within a couple of days. The worst hit are the people of Punjab, where the power department is resorting to unannounced power cuts up to 8 hours. To get a respite, people are now heading to hill stations where hotel occupancy has been reported between 70 to 90%. As per the estimates made by the Met Department, the severe heat wave conditions will continue to prevail for at least a week, which means there will be no respite from the scorching sun for at least 7 days.
That's it from me, Chaiti Narula. Keep watching India Today.